Have you ever recorded a fantastic video, but now you wish to make certain details clearer, or want to zoom in on a specific scene? Maybe you've tried tools like Screen Studio, Loom, Camtasia. But their rising prices and lack of compatibility with Windows have left many users frustrated.
Oh God, please, no! No!
Perhaps you have tried traditional video editors such as OBS, DaVinci, or Premiere Pro, but their keyframe settings are too complicated, difficult to learn, and even unable to achieve the desired effect. Well, today, we're going to share 2 different methods that will help you zoom in on your videos and enhance the quality with ease. Method 1. Automatic zoom in during recording. The first method is using FocuSee, a fantastic alternative to video zoomer like Screen Studio that works on both PC and Mac. This tool automatically zooms in on your screen during recording, focusing on the areas where you click, making it easier to highlight key details. There are 3 recording modes. We take window as an example. Just start recording, and FocuSee will follow the clicks and movements of your mouse to handle the zooming for you, automatically emphasizing the actions you want to highlight. After recording, you can see the automatic zooming effect. And you can also manually adjust the zooming speed and effect. Method 2. Zooming in after recording. After recording, FocuSee offers built-in editing tools to make the screen recording even more eye-catching. You can highlight important areas of your presentation with the auto zoom effect and 2x spotlight feature. There are a variety of mouse styles and click effects to adjust the selection, making the zoom in video effect richer. You can even prepare videos for social media by selecting the right social media format, background, and adding editing. In addition, there are also functions such as automatic subtitle generation and uploading custom watermarks waiting for you to explore, all of which are suitable for Windows and Mac OS users. Currently, the price of FocuSee is only $69.99, including lifetime updates. You can also choose a 30-day trial for $39.99. What's more surprising is that this video currently has an exclusive discount applied to the One Computer plan for you. You can check the discount in the description to see if it is more suitable for your budget.
Nice.
We hope this video helps you to zoom in on your videos with ease. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with others. See you next time.